Welcome to the second part of my video showing exact synergy information within Qlik desktop using the REST services. In this part of the app where I not only use the resource information but also the payroll information within Synergy of these employees, I have that all available and combined it so that it's now combined with all the HR data. This app is in Dutch. My apologies for that. But what I can do, for example, is go to a certain age category and only select the man or only select the female, and I can see directly the information regarding to my selection. In my next slide, I also have the information available where based on my selection, I see here the employees regarding the selection, and I can define myself which information I would like to show here. What I can also do as a little trick is to go directly to the resource card or create a task for that employee. Pressing on it, I directly go to Qlik prior to show some extra information of Qlik within Synergy. So Qlik makes it possible to not only make these selections, but also directly go into the information of exact synergy. The other way around is also possible. I will show it at the next part of the video. Deselecting my selection, and I have here some examples of reports you can directly make when using Qlik Sense and having the data available from Exact Synergy. As I mentioned before, I also have payroll data available where I can make all kind of analysis regarding the pays within my organization, for example, per job level here or per job title, or differences in pays within my several countries or the divisions that I have. The way it's represented, you can define it yourself. For example, if I would like to only show it from exact China, I can select here the people within a higher job level, and I see here at the bottom which people are regarded here. I can go to the resource card, as I just said. What I can also do is go to their payroll information, and I see it here in the Chinese renminbi, the payroll available, and as you just saw it in Qlik, I see it here in euros because euro is my standard on making all these kind of selections. As I just mentioned, I would like to show that information also in Synergy. If I have Qlik desktop open, I can easily go to my Synergy environment, and if I click on HR Analytics, I can zoom in to the information we just saw, and without having to leave Exact Synergy, I can use the same selections as you just saw. Another example that is possible, and I would like to show that on this part, is that if I go to my local host, you see it here, localhost/hub within Synergy, I can go into into Qlik Sense, go to my app, my hub, and here I have everything available. And just select this link, paste it into Exact Synergy, and you have it here within your workspace. In Synergy, I can go into my HR Analytics part in this case and then show the information. Another nice thing to use is that what I can also do is go to localhost and then single. It now opens a single configurator, and what I can do is go once again to my app and select one single app. For example, we just saw the payroll information here. Important here to say I want to be able to have interaction. Just select this and paste it into a new part where I use the accessoires and say embed code, save it, and now you can see this data available within Synergy. I want to do it again, now using, for example, the information that we had on the resource data. I have it here available, I think. Let me see here. No, that's another part. Just have this part available and say, well, I want to show once again this part in Exact Synergy. Once again, embed code, and select another one, have it here available, now full screen. And now you see I can also have not only these parts available, but I can, within Exact Synergy, I can just make some selections and see the data corresponding that selection. And as you just saw, I can also go into the resource card. Just some small examples what you can do using the free version of Qlik Sense Desktop, connecting it to the Exact Synergy environment, having all this data available and doing it, the data selection and the data visualization. Thank you for watching. If you've got questions, please let me know.